Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch me make this hit. So, welcome back, my non-ladies and gents. How you guys doing? What's up? What's good with you? What's up? What's good with you? Okay. What's up? What's good with you? Okay. Anyway, so we're just gonna get to the point. But I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for the y'all know I can't ever talk on camera, but anyway, thanks for the support. It's very much appreciated. Okay, it's very much appreciated. I love it. Anyway, I'm just gonna get to the point. All right. So today I'm just making some homemade edge control. Yeah, cause you know we like to lay our edges down. Okay. I mean, I don't really care, but I know some of you do. So thought this would be a good video. So let's get into it. So you need some shea butter. You know, for moisture, because shea butter is the bomb.com. And then you need a bowl to mix everything in. And then you need some glycerin, okay? As you can see, it pulls in the moisture for the hair. And then you need some aloe vera gel. And then you gotta have you a fragrance, boo-boo, okay? I chose orange. You can choose any fragrance. There's a bunch of them out there. Now I'm just about to make it. 1 minute. You also need a mixer. You gotta make sure everything mixed up smoothly, okay? So you need to get that. I don't normally measure things out, but you should have some measuring cups, okay? Get you some. And also, I got all this stuff from my local organic food store. They sell everything you need for anything you want to make. You know, find you an organic store and you can get you what you need. I mean, or you can use whatever's in your kitchen, okay? Skip these store-bought hair products. Who said we need them? Period. Beep. One moment while I struggle with this blender. We will be back after these messages. So I just keep mixing it until I can get it as smooth as possible, so it's not all clumpy. Yep, keep on mixing it. Keep on mixing it. Yep. And you're gonna scoop it from around the you're gonna scoop it from around the container. Okay, get all of it in there so you know you can get all whipped up evenly. Then you just keep on mixing. All right, we're gonna do this a few times. It does have like kind of a sticky, almost like a sticky feeling to it. It's like a slimy, sticky feeling, but it's not as sticky as like edge control you buy from the store. But yeah. Blend it until it's smooth. I think this is smooth enough. I definitely would try this in another video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is my version of homemade edge control. It kind of jiggles a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little jiggly wiggly. Normally you would put this stuff in a glass container, but I only had plastic ones, so that's what I used. I definitely want to try this on my hair, so let me guys know if you want to see that, okay? I will see you in the next one. Let me know if you like this video. Comment down below what you guys would like me to do. And I'm going to see y'all later. Deuces. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was lit. Hey, I told you I won't quit. Hey, watch you make this hit.